Happening tomorrow, a big day in court involving the back-and-forth battle over abortion in Utah. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 10. I'm Mark Cabell.
And I'm Heidi Hatch. The state Supreme Court will be hearing those arguments on whether Utah laws restricting abortion should be allowed to go into effect.
Lincoln Graves live at the Matheson Courthouse downtown for us tonight to explain what's happening. Lincoln?
Yeah, Mark and Heidi, Planned Parenthood and the ACLU of Utah, they've sued the state over abortion access in Utah. But tomorrow's not actually about the merits of the case. Instead, the justices will be considering an injunction that was filed when that suit was originally filed. So I asked both sides how they feel about tomorrow and if this can ever be decided out of court.
The Utah Supreme Court will consider whether an injunction against laws that restrict abortion access should remain in place. Even though the merits of a bigger lawsuit aren't being decided tomorrow, both sides say it's a critical day.
And the longer this injunction goes on, the more babies will die, the more babies will suffer. And so tomorrow's a very, very important decision.
The oral argument are really going to help us be able to kind of get a feel for where the Supreme Court sits and also give them our best foot forward.
An important day, but also one of many key moments in a battle that crosses legal, legislative, and cultural lines. I asked both sides where they go from here and if they'll focus on other tactics.
Do you see any other way to achieve your goals other than a court fight in Utah?
I am not in the business of predicting the future, but I know that always policy analysts are looking at different ways of really trying to fight and protect abortion care.
Do you see any type of a ballot measure coming to Utah in any form in the future?
I guess that's always possible.
I wouldn't write anything off, but I can't speak to whether that's in the works or not.
I kind of doubt we'll see a ballot initiative, but I would caution people that if that's the case, be very, very careful about what you're voting for.
Now, these oral arguments, they begin tomorrow at 9 a.m. in front of the justices of the Utah Supreme Court. We will, of course, be keeping you updated throughout the day. Live in downtown, Lincoln Graves, KUTV 2 News.